Hi, and here's what's happening at the library. On Wednesday, October 18th at 6 p.m. at the main library, we have Outside Unafraid, presented by Machicomoco State Park. Learn how to identify some of the park's scariest species. They're hands-on activities. This is a family event best suited for grades 4 through 6 and their caregivers. Registration is open. On Saturday, October 21st at 2 p.m. at the main library, let's draw Halloween. Learn to draw a jack-o'-lantern, black cat, vampire bat, and more. This is for grades K through 5. Registration is open. On Thursday, October 26th at 6 p.m. at the main library, we have Halloween, A Haunted History. This will be presented by the Ladies Victorian, and there'll be games and refreshments. Costumes are optional, but there will be a prize for the best one. This is for adults 18 and over. Registration is open. On Wednesday, November 1st at 6:30 p.m. at the main library, we have the Yum Yum Cookbook Club. The library chef will demonstrate recipes for the Instant Pot. Now this is for adults 18 and over. Space will be limited and registration opens on October 18th. On Saturday, November 4th at 11 a.m. at the main library, we have Cookies for Thanksgiving. Make fun-themed cookies for the holidays. This is for grades 6 through 12, and registration opens October 21st. On Thursday, November 9th at 6 p.m. at the main library, we have Jigsaw Puzzle Showdown. Teams of 2 to 4 will race to complete a 500-piece puzzle. This is for adults 18 and over, and registration opens October 26th. We have a Thanksgiving story time at the main library on Tuesday, November 14th at 10:15 a.m. for ages birth through 24 months. On Wednesday, November 15th at 10:15 a.m. for ages 3 to 5. And on Thursday, November 16th at 10:15 a.m. for 2-year-olds. Celebrate Thanksgiving with a special story time. Registration opens October 31st. And remember, on October 31st at the main library from 5:30 to 7:30, we have Spooktacular. So dress up in your favorite Halloween costumes and come trick-or-treating in the library. This is a family event and no registration is required. For the month of October, Friends of the Library are having a Fill Up a Bag for $5 sale. They will provide the bag. To register for any of these programs, just call the library hosting the program. And remember, it's always a great day to visit the library.